Welcome everybody to another video of This Be Gen Rips. Today I'm gonna not be opening. This is gonna be a birthday gift rip for the man, the myth, the legend.
Oh yeah.
Alright, so I got this present for him for his birthday. So what is it?
It is the Mega Symphonia. It's brand new. I really want to open this right now.
So I got this for him for his birthday, so he could do whatever he wants. The rip. This is all his, and he just want to open it on video for me. Thank you, Julio. All right, let me take that thing out so you don't hurt yourself. All right, let's see what it is. How you open this? All right, this is it. Oh, okay. How do you do it? Do we do it like that? Do you want to display the? Let me see if you could display it. Ah, there you go. I tried. And there you go. All right.
Let's dig in, shall we?
First pack of this Pokémon MEGA. What do we see? These have five
cards in each pack. Jinx. Oh my god! SIR! Mega Gardevoir.
Oh my gosh, first pack magic again. Oh my goodness, happy birthday to you, Julio. Alright, do you want to put it on top right there? You know what? We should take out all the packs so we have space for you to put stuff away. Here you go. And here you go. Now fix this so it'll be wherever you want it to do.
We're chasing the gold Mega Gardevoir.
Alright. Make sure you're on camera so it'll be easier so you can see it. So people can see your hits. And nothing. Alright, the next one. You got this, alright. So who are they? You gotta tell me.
See if I can remember electric. Can't remember all the names, usually read them.
Alright.
Kyogre,
oh nice. Alright, next pack coming up. So he chose this box. It was either the other one or this one.
Yeah. Oh!
Rare candy. There's it.
Rare candy. Let's get a sleeve for this one.
Alright. We fix this. Our dog is wanting this candy right now. Go ahead. Alright. Okay. And
Okay, we have 25 packs. There we go.
You want me to pre-slice it so it'll be easier
Yes,
for you?
that would be good.
Alright. So while he's ripping, I'll be opening it up over here for him.
Abra. Electric. Back. Brings you a rare Xerneas.
Xerneas. Nice. And nothing. On to the next pack. That's it. Looks nice.
We'll see. We need to pull that Gardevoir though.
Oh yeah.
Gardevoir is worth 370.
Comps? Nice.
Comes without grading. Electric, Mila.
Okay. Okay. There you go.
Okay. SIR Lycanroc's looking really nice though. See if we can pull another SIR.
I think we could do it.
We could do it.
I believe in you.
Yeah. Ooh, illustration rare.
Nice. Let's know what is his name?
No,
I forgot.
it's been a while. Leave that.
Not bad, not bad. Couple good hits so far.
Smell that? Tangela. Ooh, Carnivore EX.
Oh, yes. It's an EX of Gardevoir.
Yeah, we need to pull the gold one now.
Oh, that's what we need, huh?
That is what we need. Come on. I feel like guys, audience. Yeah.
See what else? Bayleaf? No.
Ooh,
Who is that?
I don't know.
Okay.
But we have to pull that Gardevoir, the Lucaria.
I'll open the other way. So. No.
Oof.
Alright. Hopefully this doesn't have any.
Hopefully. Yeah.
Beware. I don't know that one.
It does. Mega Gardevoir CX.
Oh, Mega Gardevoir X. Oh, nice. Let's see the edges and everything. I think it looks good.
Yeah.
We didn't mess up that bad.
Hopefully not.
Alright. We have how
Other
many packs
half.
more left?
Let's see. Like
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 more to go. Alright.
we could pull something.
I believe it. For sure. Next. There you go. Alright, alright.
Yeah. Oh, illustration word.
Nice. What's his name? I forgot. Starts with an S.
Yeah.
But nice illustration rare of that. Chuckles?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
Something similar to that.
Not bad, not bad.
Not bad.
So far, so good. Okay.
Abra.
I don't know that one. The guy's name.
Got his name too. Well, yes, at the end.
It's like a Raul, something like that. I'm not sure. It's been a while.
It has.
Too bad I don't speak Japanese or read Japanese. Then it'll be like easy for you.
It would be. Let me pull the SIR of this one.
Oh, you need that one? SIR?
Yeah. Little punny.
Yeah.
And then Kangaskhan EX Mega.
Oh wow, that looks nice.
That looks really nice.
Ooh wee. Not bad, not bad.
Not bad. Sorry guys, there are no code cards for this.
That's okay. It's alright. Alright.
We're on 8 or 9 more card packs to go.
Okay.
Ooh, that looks nice.
That looks cute. Look the light, the stars and everything.
Yeah.
And it's like it looks like when it's shining, it's like throwing down like a falling stars. Those looks nice. All right, not bad at all. Next pack. There's 4 more packs after this.
4 more. Okay.
All right, 4 more. Let's see.
Tangle up.
And
The bulk's getting pretty big.
all right, 3 more packs.
3 more. Come on.
Okay.
So, Jinx.
Call that Mickey Minaj.
Honey. Ooh, Mega Gardevoir EX.
That looks nice. Oh. It's okay. It's okay. Sorry about that. Other way.
Still feel it.
2 more packs to go.
2 more.
Alright, come on. Gardevoir. 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 Alright.
Last pack. Last pack. Last pass of luck.
Can we get a last pack mojo? If not, it's very fun rip. Let's see. Oh dude, these are cute cards.
These are.
And so you didn't get the what were you looking for, the Gardevoir?
Gardevoir.
But we got
Lycanroc EX. Abomasnow EX. Kangaskhan EX. Latias EX. Gardevoir EX. Snow Illustration Rare. Rare Candy. We got this little cute one.
and the shekel.
Shit, the last one. So all together, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 hits.
Not bad.
Not bad.
Alright. Thank you very much, Julio. Happy birthday. Hope you had a good one. Julio, what do you want to say, Julio?
Had a very fun time opening these packs. Was very happy when I got the booster pack in general at my first
Mega. Like this box right here was nice.
Yeah.
They gave us a little discount since it was his birthday. And all in all, we had fun ripping it and showing those cards to you. Sorry we could not pronounce the names because they're in Japanese and we don't remember all the Pokemons. Besides that, thank you very much everybody for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and thank you, Julio. And till next time, peace.
I'm a playboy,